have a single ECG paper Flexo print line.
Is a kind of unit-type flexography equipment with advanced work level. The flexography not only ensures the quality of prints, but greatly improves the quantity of printing forms and the production efficiency. It can also realize multi-color printing, punching, line cutting, and folding in one time. It adopts PLC control system and is equipped with an advanced automatic swelling control system, coiled material correction system, static dust collecting system, IR UV drying system, and print image detection system so as to realize accurate, efficient, and perfect linkage line processing function. Automatic paper feeding system makes the operation of paper feeding less effort and time-saving. Automatic swelling control system can control the swelling of coiled materials automatically. Automatic correction system can detect the calibrate with electric eye so as to ensure the stable and normal operation of coiled materials. Static dust collecting system can remove the paper dust and eliminate the static electricity of paper. IR UV drying system can make the printing ink dry rapidly. Print image detection system can detect the overprinting gauge and printing quality at any time.